Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to set up your own CCTV camera with a DVR and everything that is very cheap, rather than going to some company and giving them $4,000 or $5,000 to install it. It's very easy. You can just buy camera per camera $44.95 and then configure it. So I will also tell how to set it up in your monitor setup, where you can see all your cameras together in one place. So as the first thing, you have to buy your camera. So please buy this camera, because I searched on the Amazon. I can only find one camera that has ONVIF with it. You can buy other cameras, but if they are not IP cameras or they don't have ONVIF with it, you will not be able to set up the multiple as a kind of a DVR with your software. So I'm going to tell you how to set up the software and set up all the computers in one monitor. You can see all of them. So buy a camera that has an ONVIF with it. This is the one camera that I have already seen on the Amazon. You can go and buy it. I will also leave the link on the video at the bottom. So after you buy the camera, you will get this thing. You will have a booklet, a camera, a wire, and a plug. Right now I'm using just the wire to connect it to my CPU down below. And so first of all, when you get the camera, you will connect the wire and it's powered off, powered on. Then you will see a solid red over there. Then it will start beeping after some time. And after that, you have to install the Identity app on your phone. And I have already installed it. So this is one of the camera I have already configured in the front. And you can just go here, and then you have to click the plus sign button, add device, and right now I'm using this device.
Please power on the device.
So the device is already powered on and it's blinking red. So next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds.
So it's a new device.
Wait for the
I do not need to
indicator
do that.
light to flash red.
So it is already flashing red. The device is flashing. Yeah. So this one I'm gonna select next. I don't want you guys to see the password, so then I'm gonna select next. Please reaffirm whether the Wi-Fi and password are correct. Select OK.
Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap next to show your QR code. Then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.
Okay, so I have to remove the protective lens. Okay, done that. And let's place it like that. Alright, it need to be easy to see. And then click on next and show this to the camera.
Please wait.
It has detected it. Notification tone.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
So successful connection. Take some time to connect. Okay. So all done. So done. And I'm not gonna right now. And then you have to go into the settings, go to the advanced features. You have to enable the ONVIF. Go to the ONVIF settings, enable. Reset the password. You have to reset the password, otherwise it will not allow. Let me reset it. And then note down the IP. Right now it is showing 192.168.0.34 and click on submit. And then you have to go to this website. I'll show you the software you need to have. Download video surveillance. This is ispyconnect.com/download.aspx. I'll also leave the link in the video. Then right now I'm doing it on Windows. It also has on Mac OS. Download it, install it. Very easy to install. And after you install, it will run up a server at your localhost 8090, and then you can open this page. It will automatically open. Right now I have already installed one camera, so you can click in here and you can first set up your settings. Here you can define your agent setting. You can tell the how much space you want to add. So also your storage email address, and how much the max size you have you keep on the disk. So you can configure all that. Like it will just cycle through it. Like it will only you can define the max size of the folder, and you can tell the max age. So how many hours of recording you want to keep. So you can set all this up, and then you can click on new device, click on then plus sign, click on network camera wizard, and click on OK. I have enabled alert and record on detect, and then you can let me put the new password in here. And then click on next and put the IP address that we noted down from the app, which was at the end. It was 192.168.0.34. So I have entered that over here now. I don't know whether you're able to see. Maybe it's not visible. Let me maybe do one thing. Yeah, so here 192.168.0.34. click on next, and now it will try to find the connections. So it has detected ONVIF device. Click on use, and now it will open it up. Give it some name. Choose an icon. I choose this, and just click on OK, and click on OK. So this camera has been set up over here. You can set as many camera. It will keep on adding over here, and that's how it will work as a DVR system, where you can see all your videos. You don't have to pay any subscription. It will just be saved on your computer, and your computer memory will also be not used too much, because you have put up a limit on how much storage you want to use. You can set it up as much as you like, and that's all.